Good day to you, my friends. Nick Rehmani here with freedomlifebusiness.com, and welcome to segment 2 of our deep dive into the world of lead generation. See, in the grand tapestry of online business development, lead generation emerges as both an art and a science, a journey fraught with complexities and challenges that test the mettle of every entrepreneur. As we delve deeper into the labyrinth of generating leads, we uncover layers of obstacles that demand not just our attention, but our ingenuity. The quest begins with the fundamental challenge of identifying the right audience. Imagine embarking on a voyage across the vastness of the ocean, searching for a specific island hidden amongst thousands. Similarly, in the sea of humanity, finding the group that resonates with your message requires more than just a map. It requires an understanding of human desires, behaviors, and trends. This step is crucial, for it shapes all subsequent strategies, determining their success or failure. As we navigate further, the specter of saturation looms large. In an era where consumers are bombarded with thousands of messages daily, making your voice heard is similar to lighting a beacon in a storm. The challenges go beyond mere visibility. It's about making a connection, creating a message so compelling that it cuts through the noise, reaches its intended audience, and resonates on a profound level. This task demands creativity, persistence, and a deep understanding of what makes your offering unique. The journey then leads us to the realm of content creation. Here, the challenge is twofold. First, to create content that captivates and engages. And second, to ensure that this content reaches and impacts the audience. This is no mere task of production. It's an ongoing process of engagement, refinement, and adaptation. Each piece of content is a beacon guiding potential leads closer to your brand. And each must shine brightly and distinctly despite a sea of mediocrity. With content in hand, the next hurdle presents itself, choosing the right channels. See, the digital age offers a plethora of platforms, each with its unique audience and culture. Selecting the right channel is parallel to choosing the right door in a corridor of endless possibilities. The wrong choice may lead to wasted efforts, while the right one can open worlds of opportunity. This challenge necessitates a strategic approach, one that considers where your audience gathers and how they prefer to receive your message. As we approach the end of our journey, the final challenge emerges: the measurement and analysis of our efforts. In the wilderness of data, finding meaningful insights is similar to searching for a guiding star in a cloudy night sky. Yet, it is this very challenge that offers the greatest opportunity for growth. By understanding the impact of our actions, we learn, adapt, and refine our strategies, turning data into wisdom and challenges into victories. Thus, the labyrinth of lead generation is fraught with challenges, each demanding a unique blend of skill, creativity, and perseverance. But within this maze lies the path to unparalleled growth and success. As we confront these obstacles, we arm ourselves with the knowledge and tools necessary to emerge victorious. Thank you for embarking on this deep dive into the challenges of lead generation with us. The journey is complex, but the rewards are immensely substantial. Join us on segment 3 as we continue to explore the strategies and solutions that turn these challenges into stepping stones for success. Subscribe, share, and stay tuned for more insights that illuminate the path to business excellence. See, your journey through the world of online business doesn't have to be a solitary one. Subscribe for more guides, insights, and strategies that light the way forward, transforming challenges into achievements. If you are ready, coachable, and open to dive deeper and are ready to jump into the vast world of lead generation strategies and insights, go to freedomlifebusiness.com and opt in to receive our daily newsletter. Make it a wonderful day And remember to always go for your dreams, no matter what they are. Bye for now.